You'll see in this trade that I don't rely on hype, news, or a dozen indicators. My strategy is simple. My strategy cuts through all that with a simple set of rules. And remember, a lot of discipline is involved. I don't overcomplicate technical analysis or price action. I make it as simple as possible. My main goal is to avoid getting distracted by the market. I have a vision, a strategy, discipline, rules, and that's it. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.